Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest products that can make your life easier and more comfortable. Today, we're excited to share with you our hands-on experience with the COSTWAY 18000 BTU mini split air conditioner, a game changer for anyone looking to beat the heat or warm up their home. This powerhouse of an air conditioner has earned a whopping 4.4-star rating from over 1,541 satisfied customers, and we're about to find out why it's making waves in the industry. With its impressive 18,000 BTU capacity, this mini-split AC unit is designed to provide reliable cooling and heating for spaces up to 450 square feet, perfect for small homes, apartments, or even offices. First things first, let's talk about energy efficiency. The COSTWAY 18000 BTU mini-split is equipped with a high-power compressor and 1.5-ton heat pump, which allows it to provide both cooling and heating with unprecedented ease. But what does that mean for you? Simply put, this means you can enjoy the benefits of air conditioning in the summer and warmth in the winter, without breaking the bank or sacrificing too much on energy efficiency. But what really sets this unit apart is its innovative inverter technology. So what's an inverter exactly? Think of it like a smart traffic light that adjusts the power supply to the compressor, turning it on and off less frequently. This means you'll enjoy cooler air with less noise pollution, a win-win for anyone looking to relax or focus. Now, let's talk about the different modes this AC unit has to offer. With 5 working modes at your disposal: auto, cool, dry, heat, and fan, you can customize the experience to suit your needs. Want to kick back in sleep mode? No problem. The 0.5 to 24-hour timer ensures you can set your AC unit to turn on and off automatically, so you can catch some Z's without any disruptions. But it's not just about functionality. The COSTWAY 18000 BTU mini-split is also designed with comfort in mind. Take the fan speeds, for example. With 4 available fan speeds, low/medium/high/auto, you can adjust the breeze to your liking. And if you're feeling a bit anxious or stressed, there's even an eco mode that helps regulate humidity levels and keeps the air fresh. Now, let's talk about maintenance. The COSTWAY 18000 BTU mini-split features a self-cleaning function at high temperatures of 134.6 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it can automatically clean its interior without you lifting a finger. Plus, with a washable filter, you can easily swap out the old one for a new one whenever needed. But what really gets us excited about this AC unit is its durable design and industry-leading warranty. With a 5-year parts replacement guarantee and an 8-year compressor coverage, you can trust that your investment will stand the test of time. And while installation is recommended only with a licensed HVAC installer, we're confident that the benefits far outweigh any minor inconvenience. In conclusion, the COSTWAY 18000 BTU mini-split air conditioner is an absolute game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their cooling and heating experience. With its impressive specs, innovative features, and superior quality, this unit has earned its top spot on our watch list. If you're ready to beat the heat or warm up your home like never before, be sure to check out the link below to get the best price for this incredible product.